In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share releases across Jira projects using the Swanly plugin. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it easier for you to manage cross-project releases efficiently. To begin, navigate to your Jira home. On the left panel, you'll notice an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that and then choose Explore More Apps. This is where you'll find a wide array of tools that can enhance your Jira experience. For our purposes today, we'll be focusing on finding and installing a specific app. Now in the search bar, type in Swanly Portfolio Roadmap Structure Gantt Release Timeline by AppFire. Once you see it in the search results, proceed to install the app. The Swanly app is a powerful tool that helps you manage your projects in a more organized and visual manner. After the installation is complete, locate the Swanly roadmaps in your list of apps and open it. Here is where the magic happens. In Swanly, you'll want to switch to the release view. This view is specifically designed to help you manage your releases more effectively. Next, let's focus on creating a new release. You'll see a button marked Add Release. Click it and then select Create Release to open the simplified Create Release form. This section allows you to initiate the planning process for a new release that spans across multiple projects. The form will prompt you to give your new release a name. This name should be descriptive enough to instantly convey the purpose and scope of the release to anyone who sees it. After naming your release, you need to select the projects that will be included in this release. Carefully choose the projects that align with your release objectives. Once you have filled in these details, click the Create button to finalize the release creation. Congratulations, you've now set up a cross-project release. Once your release is created, you can find it in the list view. Navigate to it and click on it to open the release report. The release report is a comprehensive area where you can make adjustments to your release, you can edit the release name if needed, add a description to provide more context, assign the scope, or edit the release dates to fit your timeline better. By following these instructions, you can manage your cross-project releases efficiently with Swanly. This tool not only helps you streamline your project management processes, but also facilitates better communication and coordination across different teams working on the same release. And there you have it, a straightforward way to share releases across Jira projects using the Swanly plugin. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial both informative and easy to follow.